Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about why I think Alibaba is a strong buy. Alright, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I already have Alibaba pulled up here. For their 1 month, it's saying they're up about 3%. Now they did have a slight pullback recently the last couple of days, but if you would have sold on July 25th, in 1 month's time, you would have been up 9% in Alibaba. Now, not too bad of a deal, especially for your long-term trader. In 1 year, it's gone up 17.82% in 1 year. So this is definitely a very strong company to get involved with. If anybody doesn't know, Alibaba is basically an online and mobile marketplace, kind of like eBay, basically. They operate through basically core commerce, cloud computing, digital media and entertainment, and innovation initiatives and others. They are in e-commerce, they're under the 100 most popular, and they're under the payments tab, as well as internet, media, manufacturing, and entertainment, and retail. Now, this company is a very large company. They have $475 billion, guys, a huge company. It's headquartered in, I can't really say that, Hangzhou, Xinjiang, founded in 1999. Right now, the price earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is at a 50. Now, that's not too bad. It's a little high for my taste, but it also has a high market price of 187.28. Now, the average volume is about 18 million, so there's definitely a lot of people trading it. It's very popular. It's 7% higher right now than the average price paid of 175.10. That's great. You want to see growth. If it pulls back just a hair, kind of like it did on this 1 month, you could see, some good opportunities to buy at the 187 there. Could have bought at 184, and then when it goes, you could sell them 197, 200. If you want to hold it long term, that's also great to do. 94% of 48 ratings are saying this is a buy right now. So that right there should make you go out and want to buy Alibaba. Like I've never seen 94% of a buy on any freaking stock on Robinhood, so it's amazing. Buy summary: we believe the majority of Chinese online shoppers born in the 1980s and 1990s. And then on the sell summary, it says Alibaba has invested in businesses outside China that might not enhance its it's going to say revenues. Again, both from the one analyst, kind of playing the field on both ends. Now, they have an earnings report coming up August 23rd, pre-market. They don't even have an estimated earnings for this quarter, and I couldn't really tell you either way how that's going to go. Looks like right now they're putting around 96 cents per earnings per share, which isn't too bad, and I used to own it back in March. Looks like I made a couple cents on that for whatever reason. Now, Alibaba is a huge e-commerce, and I like to use the street to look at ratings. This one was new on July 29th. You can do this for free. Just go and put your email in, and they send you this to your email. No sign up or nothing, no gimmicks. They have a buy rating, a B, which is not bad. Again, a huge market cap, and their target price for the year, for 1 year, is going to be $254.86. Right now, guys, we're barely hitting 187. So if you guys can do some simple math in your head, that is a huge, huge target price goal, which I believe they'll be able to get. So just a couple highlights here real quick on the street. It says that revenues growth greatly exceeded the industry's average of 27%. Since the same quarter 1 year prior, revenues leaped 90%. That's amazing. 90% growth. That is amazing. And it's also saying the growth in revenue does not appear to have trickled down the company's bottom line, displayed by a decline in earnings per share. So it might be a couple cents less, it might not. We'll just have to see what happens on August 23rd. Their net operating cash flow right now increased by 75% to 2.896 million, and the firm also exceeded the industry's average cash flow growth rate of 34%. So this company is on fire, guys. I mean, it's freaking on fire. Now, the earnings per share declined 7.9% in the most recent quarter compared to the same quarter a year ago. The company has reported somewhat volatility earnings recently, but we feel it is poised for EPS growth in the coming year. They increased its bottom line by earnings $3.91 versus the $2.48 in the prior year, and this year the market expects an improvement in earnings by $40.71 versus a $3.91. So great company to get involved in. As you can see, Baba's way up here in favorable. Good company to get involved with. I keep saying it, but it's a really good company. Baba is a very strong company. They have lots of money, $10 million in net income, 40 million in net sales. I mean, it's just a really good company to get involved with. 5 out of 5 stars for growth, 3.5 out of 5 stars for total return, 5 out of 5 for efficiency, 4.5 out of 5 stars for price volatility, 4.5 out of 5 stars for solvency. Like, this, guys, is a strong buy. Now, the income is at a 0.5 out of a 5-star because they don't pay a dividend right now, but who cares with that growth? I mean, you could literally buy a stock of this today and sell it next week for probably $10 more than you bought it for. Really awesome. So that's my thoughts on Alibaba. I had a subscriber ask me to do this video recently, so I said, yeah, I'll do it. I'll let you know, and I'll be posting it. If you guys ever have a video you want me to do on stocks, on crypto, on anything, just feel free and leave me a comment below just telling me, Johnny, what are your thoughts on Microsoft, you know? And if I already have a video, I'll send you a link to it, and if not, I'll make one about it. You know, there's so many stocks out there, guys, and it can make it really difficult for people to invest when they feel overwhelmed with all the information that they're trying to bring in. I don't know if you ever heard of analysis paralysis, but you bring in so much information, your body feels like you're almost going to be in a paralyzed state because you just don't know which way to go and how to do all the information. So that's one of the reasons why I do these videos, guys. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I like making them. And please, guys, smash that like button. It really does help. It makes me feel better that there's people out there that like what I'm doing. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's tons of more information I want to put out there. It's just a matter of having time to put it out, guys. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week of trading. And again, subscribe, like, and comment.